Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that's perfect for anyone looking to earn money online without showing their face. We'll explore 10 innovative ways to create faceless videos that can generate income, whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out. From leveraging stock footage to using voiceovers and animations, we'll cover a variety of methods that allow you to maintain your privacy while still making a significant impact. Get ready to discover how you can tap into the booming world of online video content and turn your creativity into cash. We'll provide practical tips, tools, and strategies to help you succeed in this unique niche. So if you're curious about how to make money online without being in front of the camera, stick around. You won't want to miss these game-changing ideas that could transform your financial future. Let's jump right in. Create animated explainer videos. Creating animated explainer videos is a fantastic way to monetize your content on platforms like YouTube. To get started, consider using user-friendly tools like Vyond or Animaker, which allow you to create engaging animations without needing advanced design skills. These platforms offer a variety of templates and assets that can help you bring your ideas to life quickly and effectively. To attract viewers, focus on trending topics that resonate with your target audience. Research popular themes in your niche and create informative, entertaining content that addresses their needs or interests. Once your videos gain traction, you can monetize them through ads or sponsorships, turning your creative efforts into a steady income stream. Remember, the key to success is consistency and quality. By regularly producing high-quality animated explainer videos, you'll not only build a loyal audience, but also increase your chances of earning revenue through various monetization options. So let's get animating and start making money. Voiceover for educational content. Providing voiceovers for educational videos is a fantastic way to earn money online while keeping your identity private. Many creators are looking for skilled voiceover artists to enhance their content, and you can tap into this growing demand. Start by utilizing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, where you can easily find clients seeking voiceover services. To stand out in this competitive market, it's essential to create a portfolio that showcases your voiceover skills. Include samples of your work that highlight your range, clarity, and ability to convey information effectively. Target specific niches, such as language learning or tutorial videos, where your voice can make a significant impact. By focusing on these areas, you can attract clients who are eager to enhance their educational content with professional voiceovers. With dedication and creativity, you can build a successful voiceover business that allows you to work from anywhere while helping others learn and grow. So let's get started on this exciting journey. Stock footage compilation. Compiling stock footage into engaging videos is a lucrative way to monetize your creativity without appearing on camera. Start by sourcing high-quality stock footage from reputable sites like Shutterstock, where you can find a vast library of clips covering various themes and subjects. Once you have your footage, focus on editing compilations around specific themes or events, such as nature, travel, or seasonal celebrations. This targeted approach not only makes your videos more appealing, but also helps attract a specific audience interested in those topics. After creating your compilations, you can sell them on platforms like Pond5, where buyers are constantly looking for fresh content for their projects. Alternatively, consider uploading your compilations to YouTube, where you can monetize through ad revenue. By optimizing your video titles and descriptions with relevant keywords, you can increase visibility and attract more viewers. With the right strategy, stock footage compilations can become a profitable venture that allows you to earn money while showcasing your editing skills. Create relaxing music videos. Creating faceless videos featuring relaxing music and visuals is a rewarding way to engage viewers while promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Start by sourcing royalty-free music from platforms like Epidemic Sound, where you can find a wide variety of soothing tracks that set the perfect mood for your videos. Next, pair your chosen music with calming visuals or nature scenes. You can use stock footage of serene landscapes, gentle waves, or tranquil forests to create a visually appealing backdrop that complements the audio. This combination not only enhances the viewer's experience, but also encourages them to return for more. Once your video is complete, consider monetizing it through YouTube ads or streaming services. By optimizing your video titles and descriptions with relevant keywords, you can attract a larger audience seeking relaxation and stress relief. With consistent uploads and quality content, your relaxing music videos can become a popular destination for viewers looking to unwind, while also generating income for you. Develop a podcast channel. Starting a podcast channel using faceless video formats is an exciting way to share your thoughts and engage with an audience without being on camera. Begin by recording audio discussions on popular topics that resonate with your target audience. Choose subjects that are trending or of high interest to ensure your content is relevant and engaging. To enhance the listening experience, incorporate visuals like audio waveforms or relevant images that align with your discussion. This not only keeps viewers engaged, but also adds a professional touch to your videos. You can use simple editing software to synchronize your audio with these visuals, creating a polished final product. Once your episodes are ready, distribute them on popular platforms like Spotify or Apple Podcasts, where listeners can easily access your content. By promoting your podcast through social media and other channels, you can grow your audience and establish a loyal following. With dedication and creativity, your Faceless podcast channel can become a successful platform for sharing ideas and insights. Creating top 10 list videos is a popular and engaging way to connect with viewers while maintaining your anonymity. These videos appeal to a wide audience as they provide concise information on trending topics, making them easy to digest. Start by researching current trends and popular subjects to generate ideas for your lists. Whether it's the top 10 travel destinations, gadgets, or movies, there's always something that piques interest. Once you have your topic, focus on using engaging visuals to complement your content. You can incorporate stock footage, images, or animations that illustrate each item on your list. Adding a voiceover can enhance the viewing experience, allowing you to convey your insights and opinions without appearing on camera. To monetize your top 10 list videos, consider using YouTube ads and affiliate links related to the products or services you mention. This approach not only generates revenue but also provides value to your audience, making your content both informative and profitable. Creating gaming videos without showing your face is a fantastic way to share your passion for gaming while maintaining your privacy. Start by recording your gameplay using software like OBS, which allows you to capture high-quality footage along with your commentary. This setup enables you to engage with your audience through your insights and reactions while keeping the focus on the game itself. To attract viewers, focus on popular games that are currently trending in the gaming community. Research which titles are generating buzz and create content around them, whether it's gameplay, walkthroughs, tips and tricks, or reviews. This strategy will help you tap into existing audiences and increase your chances of gaining subscribers. Once your videos are ready, you can monetize them through platforms like Twitch or YouTube gaming ads. By consistently producing engaging content and interacting with your audience, you can build a loyal following and turn your gaming passion into a profitable venture. Producing DIY and craft tutorials without appearing on camera is a creative way to share your skills while keeping your identity private. Start by filming hands-on projects from a top-down perspective, allowing viewers to see your hands as you work on each step. As you demonstrate the process, narrate clear instructions to guide your audience through the project, ensuring they understand each phase. Using high-quality visuals is essential. Make sure your workspace is well lit and organized to enhance the viewing experience. Incorporate close-up shots of materials and techniques to provide clarity and detail, making it easier for viewers to follow along. Once your tutorials are complete, you can monetize your content through YouTube ads or by selling related products such as craft kits or downloadable guides. By consistently creating engaging and informative DIY tutorials, you can build a loyal audience eager to learn from your expertise, all while enjoying the freedom of faceless content creation. In this video, we explored the exciting world of making money online with faceless videos, highlighting the versatility of this content creation approach. From animated explainer videos and voiceovers for educational content to stock footage compilations and relaxing music videos, there are countless opportunities to express your creativity while maintaining your privacy. We also discussed the potential of top 10 lists and faceless gaming videos, emphasizing how you can engage audiences without ever appearing on camera. As you embark on your journey, We encourage you to explore your creativity in video production and find the niche that resonates with you. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and with dedication, you can turn your passion into profit. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might be interested in learning how to make money online with Faceless videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content.